Hi, today we are going to see how to create a survey in Google Forms. First open your browser and go to forms.google.com. If you are not logged in, please log it in and this type of interface will visible in your screen. Now click on the plus icon. Now here you can create your survey form. Type your title of the survey. I'm just giving test. Then you can type your description here. Now you can add your question here and then you can create your option here. Your Google survey form was created. Here you can add question and here you can import question and here you can add title and description and you can also add image and also add video. Here you can also add a section. After creating your survey form, you can send it by clicking on this. Don't worry, your survey form is automatically saved in a drive. Click on send. Now here you will find email. If you want to send this via email, you can type the email here and you can send it by click on send button. Also you can copy the link and share with your friends and anybody you want to share the survey. Also you can copy the HTML code by here. So this is how you can create your Google survey form. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.